Bad motor finger. It's good, dude. Oh, look at that. He's got his custom components on the top. Looks good, dude.
That's little Black Ops.
I like that. Dude, that's cool. It looks good, though. It's sharp. Man, you're almost afraid to break this thing now. Good morning and welcome to the channel. Watching Shelby Exotics. I'm Ryan. I'm being a little quiet because it's still morning. But we're here at my nemesis, VIR, the engine-eating track. But this time, we came well equipped. There's Corey. We ready? It's time to go? All right, we're headed to Tech. Leaves them for dead. Those boss cars are ridiculously loud. So as you'll notice, I have the TV in the background, and I'm just a shitty YouTuber. So, you know, you guys don't need to tell me that. I already know. And I suck at posting on a regular basis. But, alright, so we're 2 for 2 at VIR. As you can see, I'm not there anymore. We're actually in beautiful Ripley, either Ohio or West Virginia. I'm not really sure which one. If you want to check your map, it's where 77 and 33 meet, where we have to do that clusterfuck thing where we go across the... I don't know why my iPhone takes me that way, and I'm sure that the roads can't handle as much traffic as the iPhone sends that way. But you take 33 across to Columbus, and then 23 north from there. But anyway, we'll cut to the chase. Blew another car up at VIR, another GT350 variant. Mark II got sick, and there is no good story. There's no money shift. There's some sunglasses marks right there. That's kind of cool, like giant crow's feet, or like buzzard feet. But yeah, no great, like, oh, you know, Ryan's a dumbass and he doesn't know what he's doing. I was following a guy and I let off and I got back on the gas and it didn't sound right. So I came in and we went over to Quantum Motorsports, which is right at the track, which, by the way, if you guys don't know them and visit VIR, stop in and see them. Hell of a bunch of good guys. They're on-site mechanics available on call to keep you on the track if you're at a track day at VIR. So spent some time over there, and met the owner, Josh. Top-notch facility. He also builds track day cars for folks, puts cages in. Doesn't matter if it's Porsche, BMW, Corvette, doesn't matter. Mustang, he works on them all. So he was able to diagnose pretty quick that we have a upper valve train issue, and you know, so goes the saga of the GT350 blown motor issues. And my guess is why my videos go Zangola bonkers, Zagnut, Payday. I don't know, who the fuck would eat a Payday? You know, you've tried one. They're terrible. But, you know, so goes the saga with the GT350 motor issues. You know, we'll see what this one is. We'll be following this one just like we did the last one, which, mind you, is done. Ford cut me a check. Payments are done. We dropped it off at Borgman Ford. Life's good. And then I blow Corey's car up. So the reason I haven't been posting, just so you guys know, I had elbow surgery. It's not a big deal. Don't worry, guys. I'll be okay. Just had some nerves that were screwed up in there. Couldn't feel my fingers anymore, so they kind of had to went in there and you know, do their deal. So still got all the red group. That's the good one. It's not the good one. It's the one that, you know, you work your way up into. Don't just think you sign up because you fucking watched a couple episodes of NASCAR or whatever that bullshit is. I don't know if you guys have seen that on TV lately. What a cluster fruck that is. Wow. I really hope a NASCAR video pops up right now, like maybe as an advertisement, because you know what? They don't need it. It ain't gonna work. A Roval? No. Stick with the streetcar stuff. This track day type situation's fun. It's gonna get big too, I'm telling you. I mean, there's a lot of interest in it. And guess what? It's real street cars, racing. Like the kind you see down here. Like right here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but right down there, there's a car. You see it? We did take the little trailer. That's what this is. We did get a newer one, a little bit longer. You can see it's got a little more room up front, right in this area. But it's a Futura. It's cool because the whole deck drops, the wheels cantilever back, and the bed acts as the whole frame. So we'll go through that again. And I have a previous video that shows that whole apparatus working. But this is a bigger one with a tire rack on it. They repositioned the winch and some other stuff, but we'll get into that when you can see it. It's like telling you about a hot chick. Like, you can't really picture it unless you're standing in front of her, for God's sake. But that's where she is, just all covered up, waiting to go home. That's the pickup truck right there. And if you can't see it, it's right in this area here. That's the Ford right there, and I'm not kidding. So all covered up, ready to go. So we'll be keeping you guys apprised. I just wanted to get back to you because I have the elbow thing really kind of put me out of commission a little more than I thought. You guys want to see it? You're gonna laugh because it really doesn't look like anything. Hang on, right here. So it's just this old cut open piece right there. You know, I mean, blood and guts, turn away. Don't look. Oh God. If you're going back to pause that, that's fucked up. It's fucked up shit. Don't do that. So stick around. We'll show you real quick here what it sounds like. And that's all it took for the motor to take a giant. All I did was hear noise. I have super hearing. The only thing that I can't hear through is lead walls or if I'm around kryptonite. But I did hear something wrong in the valve train, immediately pulled off the track, shut the power down, here we are. So anyway, just a quick video tuning in here from Ripley, Ohio, believe it or not. You know, it's shameless. Thanks for tuning in today. Just a quick update. I will have more videos out there, but like I said, this whole situation of getting the feeling back in my fingers, which I do, you can see I'm bending them, took a little longer than I thought. So rather than you know, videos of me whining about myself, I'd rather do that about something else. So it's really on all of our minds. Just in case, you know, you don't know, we're Shelby fans. We love the car. It just has some minor issues that leave you funless or defunded, as the government would say, miles from home. So, but we had a good time. We did, up until, well, we only really missed 3 sessions. We were able to get out there and really let her rip, date her chip. For the first time out, ran a 202 and some change. I was ready to light it up though. That was really just a get to know me, you know, kind of shake your hands, give you a little ass grab, make sure you're ready to play VIR. And I was gonna go out and lay down. My guess was gonna be a 157, 158. But I can't prove it because I couldn't get to run. Corey, your car took a shit while I was driving it, so it's all my fault. But we'll get her fixed. That's what we do. And now we're gonna make the bulletproof version of that motor, and we're gonna share with you exactly how to do that, what all the recommendations are. We got from a bunch of guys at the track of what we should do relative to keeping it bulletproof. One thing I can tell you right now is it needs like a dry sump system or something. As I'm going around the track, G-forces, and I know this is gonna do this on most cars, blah, 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 but a dry sump system to keep that oil pressure up. Under G's, a lot of variance in the oil pressure gauge. So, but we're gonna sleeve it. We're gonna make that bitch literally bulletproof. And if we can't, we'll take the block out of the other one and actually shoot it. Thanks for tuning in. This is Shelby Exotics. I'm Ryan, and I'm a little tired, but I wanted to get back with you guys. I love you. Missed you. But guess what? We blew another fucking motor. Isn't that something? If this is your first time here, please subscribe. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, the little bell thing. Like, subscribe, and comment. You know what to do. See ya.